Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a job board to your Wix website but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, from finding the right job board template all the way to getting it perfectly sized on your site. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your Wix site even more professional and interactive, whether you're running a business, managing a community, or just want to give visitors a way to browse job listings. Let's jump in. First things first, open up your Wix website editor. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. You'll want to be on the dashboard for the website you want to update. The website editor is where all the building and customization happens for Wix, so think of it as your creative command center. You'll see all your existing pages, elements, and options laid out in front of you. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand menu. Find the option labeled Elements and give that a click. Elements are basically the building blocks of your site, kind of like the pieces of a puzzle you fit together to create your own unique design. Here, we're going to select an option that lets us add something completely custom, a bit of HTML code. Within the Elements panel, scroll down until you see Embed Code. This is a super handy tool on Wix that lets you drop in your own code, which means you're not limited to the default widgets or apps. When you click on Embed Code, a couple of choices will pop up. Choose HTML code. This is what will let you bring in your job board from an external template or provider. Now, before we can actually embed the job board, we need to find an HTML template for it. This step might take a few moments, and that's totally okay. You could use a free template from a site like GitHub or CodePen, or maybe purchase a professional job board layout from a digital marketplace. Just be sure it's mobile-friendly and appropriate for the types of jobs you want to list. Imagine this template as the skeleton of your job board. It'll provide all the structure and sections you need, from job titles to application buttons. Once you've found a template you like, you'll want to copy its HTML code. Head back to your Wix editor, and in the HTML code embed element you added, paste in that template code. Double-check to make sure you've got it all. Sometimes templates have extra scripts or styling included, and you'll want everything to be in place before you update. Click Update or Apply to see the template appear on your page. Give it a second. Sometimes it can take a moment for everything to load, especially if your template has a lot of features or external links. If it looks a little squished or out of proportion at first, don't worry, that's totally normal. Next, it's time to resize the job board so it fits beautifully into your site layout. Just click and drag the corners of the embed box until the entire job board form is visible. Think about how it'll look to your site visitors. You want users to be able to read all the job listings comfortably and access all the features without any awkward scrolling or cropping. If it doesn't fit perfectly at first, take a little time to adjust. Imagine you're hanging a picture on a wall. You want it to be straight and perfectly centered. And there you have it. That's all it takes. With just a few steps, you've added a fully functioning job board to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to offer new opportunities to your audience, encourage engagement, or simply showcase open positions for your organization. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a like. If you run into any trouble, or if you have questions about the process, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Wix tips and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new job board.